The Hopup Dimension Kit adds style, flair, and function to multiple straight hop-up displays 8 feet wide or larger in size. Start by stretching your frame to size by gently pushing out the corners. Next, make sure your purple locking arms are aligned. If not, adjust so that they snap together easily. If your graphic has end caps, gently pull so that the edge attaches to the gray hub. After your hop-up is fully assembled, set the frame on its side so that the bottom hubs face you. Attach 2 large and 1 small stabilizing feet onto the hubs. Simply push and lock into place. Set the frame upright and connect the remaining 2 small feet to the top of the frame. Next, start assembly of your dimension kit by locking the lower 2 upright pieces of extrusion together using your Allen tool. Once locked together, place the first half of the dimension kit frame into the channels on the stabilizing feet and lock into place. Lock the 2 horizontal pieces of extrusion with a channel running across the top into the frame. These will support the shelving unit and hold your kit's graphic. Attach the push-fit fabric graphic by pushing the silicone edge beading into the horizontal channels on the frame's extrusion. Adjust height as necessary for a taut hold. Next, add the final pieces of extrusion to the top of the dimension kit frame, securing to the top stabilizing feet and again locking into place with your Allen tool. To begin assembly of your monitor mount, slide the square head screws into the channel on the extrusion, lock it into place at your desired height, and secure your mount to the frame. Add the monitor to finish. Attach the shelf by laying it flat into the top of the graphic and bottom frame. Add your literature pocket to the dimension frame by securing into place with the included standoffs. To finish, attach your LED lights to the top of your display by sliding the dovetails onto the top hubs of your hop-up. Connect your power adapters to the back of the lights and plug in.